On UiPath. In this video, we're going to learn how to export an automated test to Orchestrator. And then we'll learn how to run the test as a robot from UiPath Assistant. In order to do that, first, I'm going to launch UiPath Studio by double click on this icon. Once it opens, I'll click Start and then double click on the Acme script name. And once I click on that, it will open the script. In this script, if you don't see this, you can click on the main.xaml file and then it will open the script. And before I do anything, I should run the test, make sure it is working without any issues. Perfect. So it worked without any issues. So as I mentioned that I'm going to show you how to export a test to Orchestrator. In order to do that, you will click on the this publish up arrow, click on that, and then for this demo, I would just keep as it is. In your case, if you want, you can give a version, whatever you want. Since I already exported to orchestrate one time. This was the version and new version going to be 1.0.2. Click next and keep as it is and click publish. If everything works well, it will publish your automated test to orchestrator. So it gave confirmation message, which is a good sign. I'll close this or minimize this UiPath Studio and then I will go to orchestrator. So in my previous video, I showed you how to create an account on uipath.com. So I hope you did that. So once you have that username and password, you will log into your orchestrator with, okay, so in this case, I already log into my orchestrator with my username and password and then refresh the page. And I can click on the processes and I see the Acme got exported. Acme got exported to um, orchestrator. So here is the information in orchestrator. Okay. Now I would like to run this as a bot. In order to do that, I will type UiPath UiPath Assistant. Double click on that, and now we'll click on this dashboard tab and then you can see that Acme script is uploaded to orchestrator and it is telling me to install. So in order to run this test as a bot, I need to install it. So okay, so click on the down arrow and it will install it to UiPath Assistance. So basically this is monitoring your orchestrator and telling me, hey, this is got uploaded, so download before you can run the test as a bot. As a bot. Okay, good. So it installed And you can see it shows the last run never ran, and last update is today's date. Configuration job, you don't have to worry about for now. Now at the bottom you can see it shows run. So I can run the test. So instead of using UiPath, right, I showed you at the beginning. So instead of doing that, I can run the test as a part. So in order to do that, I'll click on the run button, and you can see that it is logging into Acme website using username and password, and then you're going to check the welcome message, and then it will click log out and close the browser, and it will finish the test. So now if I go to the orchestrator, I'll go to the orchestrator sometimes. So let's go back to the UiPath assistance and see if it ran successfully or not. So you can see on the right hand side, it says it ran as a job, which is nothing but a bot, a robot, and it is a success. Okay, so you can see that the test completed in 20 seconds. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.